Hello my beautiful people! Today I'm going to show you what I'm using for feeding my animals, how I'm managing all of that and stuff. I wanted to unplug the fridge because it's making noise, but there are a lot of cans up there. Anyway, let's ignore all of that. So I have 2 colonies of cockroaches and I'm keeping them here under my sink. This cabin is isolated with styrofoam and I have a heater. So the temperature inside is around 27-28 Celsius. I have one Dubia cockroach colony. So these are my Dubias. These are nymphs. They come in all sizes. This down here, the shiny one, it is a female, mature female. And this guy with wings, that is a mature male. There's quite a lot of them. The other colony I have is lateralis colony. They are also called red runners, Turkish cockroaches. This is a baby nymph. This is also a nymph. This is a female, mature female. And the males also have wings. We just find one. Here it is. This is a male, mature male. For feeding, I am mostly using lateralis because Dubias like to play dead. They will just sit for extended amount of time until tarantula just moves away. While these guys are called red runners for a reason. And obviously nymphs are much smaller. You see, like this one. So you can use them to feed really small slings. And also I'm disliking the Dubias because they like to bury themselves in the substrate. So usually I'm using tweezers when I'm feeding these. So I'm sure that tarantula actually got them. Now I will show you how I'm feeding with these guys. I have a plastic tub and I just get them inside. Then I take small plastic cup. Then I choose a cockroach that is the right size for the tarantula I'm feeding to and just click. And there you go. And it is really easy to get, you see. As you can see, these guys can't climb really well. That's a good thing. You see, they can go outside. And Dubias are even worse climbers. There are some species of cockroaches that can easily climb that plastic, but these guys won't. So yeah, this is really easy method of picking up the cockroaches. And these white ones aren't albino. They are freshly molted. So yeah, these guys are awesome for feeding slings. Really awesome. Best choice. And then when I'm done, just put them all back. For feeding, I'm using all kinds of fruit and vegetables. I'm not giving them any water. They are getting all the moisture they need from the fresh vegetables. Colony of this size I'm feeding every 2 or 3 days, about that much. And that's it. This wasn't really a how-to video or instructional video. This was just a quick overview, something like that. If you have any questions regarding this topic, make sure to leave a comment down below and I will gladly answer it. Look, they are swarming. I shall end this video with a time lapse. Yeah.